Hello everyone, how are you all doing? So today here we are back with a new video on Navisworks Series. So this video will be on appending and merging, navigating the model. So this is our third video on Navisworks and in Navisworks Series. So to understand appending and merging, let us jump back to our Navisworks Manage. Okay, so the appending as well as merge option you will find in home and in project tab. So here when we come, there is this append as well as merge option, and I have appended this arc model here. So to make you understand the differences between the two, what I will do is I will go to this append option, and again I will select the same arc model. Once I open this, what happens is Revit has created a duplication of the arc NWC, and this duplication is sitting on top of the previous arc NWC. Okay, so whenever we append anything, it creates a duplication of the existing link. Now what I will do is I'll go into selection tree and then I will delete this. Once I delete this, there is only one link. Now to demonstrate this merge option, again I will link the same arc model. So this time it didn't create any link. Why? Because Navis has overwritten the arc NWC on top of the previous one. So this merge option is basically used when we have done changes in our NWC, we have done changes in our Revit, and we don't want to link with the same name. Okay, we don't want same model with the duplication. In that case, what we will be doing, we will use this merge option. Clear? So now I have demonstrated append as well as merge. Now we will understand how the navigational wheel of Navisworks operates and how can we navigate through the entire model. Before demonstrating that, what I will do is I will append one more model here, which is plumbing, and I will run a clash test. So the clash test now and all those things, we will do it. I mean, I'll be covering up in our future videos, but as of now, just to navigate through, I need the arc report, because there will be some elements, small elements which will appear, and through that I will demonstrate how we can navigate in an effective manner. So arc as well as plumbing, I am running the clash test, and here 92 clashes are there and we have got the report here. Clear? Now what I will do is, okay, let us unselect this option. Everything I'll be covering in our future videos, but as of now we'll focus entirely on this navigational wheel. So here we will select this clash number 2, fine, and we will zoom out. All right, okay, so we have zoomed out, and now, okay, clear. So okay, fine. So here, this is the navigation bar. So what happens, I mean, if there is no navigational bar, where you will find that option? So for that you will go to view, and when you go to view, this is the navigation bar. If you check this, navigation bar has gone. If you click over it, navigation bar will come here. Clear? So view, and in navigation aids you will find this navigation bar. Fine. So now here there is one element which we can see, which is very far, okay, and we have to navigate to it. So what we will do, we will first click on this navigational wheel, and here you see various options: orbit, pan, rewind, zoom, center, look, walk. All these options are here. All these options which you see here are from this navigational wheel. I prefer working with this navigational wheel. Fine. So here you can see the clash, and there's a client who has requested me to take him through this clash. So first, if I go to this option of orbit, first you have to understand, if I click on this orbit with my left cursor, with my left mouse click, I will click over it and I will hold it, and now you can see that a pivot symbol comes on my screen, and with the help of that I am orbiting around, but I didn't leave my left mouse button. I am still holding it. Okay, second, let me just orient a bit to see where can I see that element. Okay, it is somewhere here that you see in red. Okay, now I want to zoom over there. So what I will do, I will click over this zoom and I will hold my left mouse button. I will not leave it. And now I am going on top, okay, in the upper direction, so that Navis takes me to that element. If I go at the bottom, it takes me, I mean, it's zooming out. Fine. So now let us go here. See, clear? So now this is the element, and here there is a clash. So now I want to show from a different angle. Again, I will click over this orbit I am holding, and this is how I will show that there is a clash between these two elements. Okay, orbit is over. Now what is this pan? If I click on pan, what will happen is it is not orbiting, it is just moving in every direction wherever I am moving my mouse. Okay, now there is this rewind. Okay, so in order to better understand rewind, what I will do, I will first click on zoom and I will go back. Okay, I have come this much far. Now if I click on rewind, what happens is it takes me to various options, I mean various movements that whichever I have done before. It works similar to undo option. If I again want to go back, see this, I have orbited here, but now I want to go back again, it will take me there. Fine. So now what is this center? As if we highlight this element, again to highlight the element, we will come here and we will select this select option. I have selected this option here, and now I went to navigation wheel. Okay, so now if I select the center option, what Navis will do, Navis will make that element at the center of our workspace. Clear? Now this is look option. What this look will do, it will just allow me to look around. It is not orbiting, but it is allowing me to look around. There's a difference between orbiting as well as look around. Okay, now there is this up as well as down option. What if the element is there at the top, and if I want to see the element at the top side or else at the bottom side? So I selected that option, and simply it's like a zoom. I will go down, I will up, I will get a slider, and using that slider I will go down, I will come up. Okay, and then there is this look option which I have taken you through, and then walk option. So if I click walk, again this is very sensitive. If you move your cursor fast, it will take you to some other dimension. Okay, so now you have to be very careful with this walk. Wherever you'll take your cursor, it will take you over there. Okay, so now again we have lost our element. We don't know where exactly it is. I will go to rewind, I will select rewind, I will select rewind again, and it'll take me back to my element. Okay, so this is how this navigation wheel operates. If you don't want to work on this navigation wheel, then you can close this off and you can work with your keyboard. If you hold shift as well as your wheel on your mouse, you will be able to use this pivot, shift as well as wheel on your mouse. And then if you want to pan, then control. If you want to again pan, then alt. If you want to change this setting, you will go to Navisworks keyboard shortcuts, and you will be able to assign all the shortcuts to it. How we will assign those shortcuts, we will cover that in the next video. As of now, you can learn on you guys can focus on navigation wheel as well as appending as well as merging the model. Clear? So yes, learners, as always, let us rise and shine together, and I will see you in our next video of Navisworks series. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.